Hey guys, what's up? It's Noel. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the easy textured beachy waves. I asked on my Instagram stories a couple weeks ago what you guys wanted to see, whether it was an easy festival hairstyle or an easy textured beachy waves hairstyle, and it was close. But beachy waves won, so that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below so you guys don't miss any more of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. So before I actually start curling my hair, I'm going to share with you guys the products that you guys will need to achieve this hairstyle. So I will be using a 1-inch curling iron. This is just the Hot Tools one, but a 1-inch curling iron is the best one to achieve beachy waves. It won't be too loose and it won't be too tight, so 1 inch is what you want. Also, the next tool you're going to need is any teasing tool. It doesn't really matter which one you use, but this will just give a little zhuzh to your hair when you want to use that. And then the products I'll be using today are from Ouai. Before I curl my hair, I always go in with a heat protectant. My favorite is the Ouai Haircare Memory Mist. It not only protects your hair from heat tools, but it also makes your hairstyle last longer, which means you won't be having to use as much heat on your hair as usual. The second product I'm going to go in with today is the Ouai Haircare Wave Spray. This is just going to add really nice texture to your hair. It's kind of like a sea salt spray almost, so it's really going to give your hair that texture that you want for the beachy waves, and it's kind of going to give like that intentional frizz almost. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with their Ouai Haircare's Texturizing Hairspray. This will not only give your hair extra texture, but it will also hold the hairstyle so it lasts longer. Okay, so I'm just going to brush my hair real quick. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that memory mist and spray my hair. Okay, so beginning with my hair, I'm just going to section it off like this and start from the back and work my way forward. So what I'm going to do is take about this much. What you want to do is alternate sizes of your pieces just so it looks more natural. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with curling away from my hair, wrapping my hair around it very softly and leaving the ends out and kind of twisting the hair. This will, by leaving an inch out, it'll give you that more of that beachy wave effect, but also twisting it will keep the pieces together. Instead of morphing together kind of like Hollywood waves, you want them to be separated. And then just pull once you're done. I always tug on my hair once I'm done curling it. Okay, so the next piece I'm going to alternate the direction. Instead of going away from my face, I'm going to go towards my face. So what this does is instead of having your hair kind of go all together, you know what I mean? Like if you curl it all in one direction, it will kind of give you more of the Hollywood waves, and we want more of the beachy waves, obviously. So alternating directions will not only make it more natural, but it will give you that effect. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with a slightly bigger piece and go away from my face, keeping the ends out and twisting that piece again just to make sure it stays together. By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. So I'm just going to do that to this side of my head, alternating pieces, and then I'll show you how I do the front of my face to frame my face. Paint the skies, all because of you, dripping lights. Also, I do take the curling iron all the way up to my roots. Okay, so for the front part of this is about the amount of hair that I keep out, and so for the rest of this I'm going to just curl away from my face. You never want to curl towards your face unless you're going for that vibe. That's more of like an old school 20s hairstyle, but obviously that's not the hairstyle that we're doing today. So the rest of the hair on this side I'm going to curl away from my face. I'm still doing the same technique, it's just I'm keeping the direction away. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight. Okay, and this is technically my bang, and I'm just going to take this much of my hair and just curl away. So I kind of like to push the iron forward a little bit, like that, to shape the hair. And then twist the ends and pull it down just to pull out the curl a little bit. Okay, so that's what it looks like on this side. I'm gonna let this completely cool and then maybe go back in and do a little bit more strands, but I'm just gonna do the other side, kind of fast forward that a little bit. But I'm doing the same technique, again, alternating sizes on the piece, on the curls, also twisting the ends to give it that straight hair effect at the end and also keep the pieces together. We don't want them forming one big curl, and yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
Okay, so I'm almost done. This is the last of it, and again, these are my bangs, so I'm just going to curl that away from my face.
Of you, dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
Okay, so I'm finished curling my hair. Now I'm gonna go in with the Ouai Haircare Wave Spray. Again, this is just gonna give your hair that beachy textured effect that we want. This is really going to like bring the hairstyle to life. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray this. And you do not want to brush your curls through because that will bring them together. All you want to do is kind of just zhuzh them up with your fingers and kind of rub your hair together, and it gives you that like intentional frizz.
See it coming. Well, I got your cold and I got your...
Okay, last but not least, I'm going to go in with the Ouai Haircare Texturizing Hairspray. Again, this is just going to give your hair more of that textured effect, but it's also going to hold your hairstyle. So I'm just going to spray that in my hair and kind of do the same scrunching motions. Okay, if you want even more texturized, you just want to slightly back comb the curls a little bit, and this will zhuzh them up even more. See the difference, you know? You want that lioness hair. Okay, that is it. That is how you achieve the easy textured beachy waves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Ouai Haircare, for letting me film in their studio. Again, if you guys did like this video and you guys do like me, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.